Alright, today we're looking at Adobe Illustrator and we're going to try and install it on your laptop and then we're going to start using it. So you can try typing it into your web browser and going that way. The first step is you need to log into Adobe using your school email. Once it's signed in, then you can find Illustrator. So Illustrator is a program you can use to draw things. So you have to type in the word Illustrator into the Adobe platform once you've signed in. Click on Illustrator, has that little orange icon, and you click download. Once it's downloaded the file, you click on the file, click OK. Eventually it will install. After it has installed, you click on the blue button Open, and it should open the program. You then can create a new file. A4 is good. I would change it to millimeters, and once you're happy with that, you click Create. So there's a couple of things you can do. You can create shapes. You can change the dimensions of shapes up here on the top right to whatever you want to make the shape. So it can be a rectangle, or you can make squares, you can make circles, whatever it is. So there's a square, you can make a circle, and you can also label your shapes. So go down to text, click on text, type in whatever you want to label it, and you can move things around. So you have to click on the arrow icon to move things around. Yeah, so that's the basics of Adobe Illustrator and how to install it.